Hey, sorry, I like thought that you still had the sound thing, and then I realized I had it. Sorry. But I want to thank you again for like all your help. It was like amazing, and like I couldn't have done it without you. I'm glad, but I still like I owe you big time. Okay. Uh-huh. Mhm. Mhm. Of course. No, that's no, yeah. Yeah. There's no yeah. Yeah, you can do that. I'm coming to school at noon. I don't know when you're meeting with them, but I can give you my key. I'm glad. Mhm. Well, yeah, that's not even an issue. No problem. Okay, sounds good. No problem. Have a great night. And thanks again, Lindsay. Okay. Okay, bye.